everybody, welcome. It's Scarlet Pete's Self-Sufficiency. We're out on a ride. I thought, well, I was just experiencing a little problem with my trusty steed down here, the Hucul pony. And what she was doing was napping to go back home, which means she was being a pain, not having a relaxing ride forwards and turning to go back home. What I wanted was her to just walk on a loose rein, like we have here, very loose rein, and going forwards. Now she's still mildly napping because we've got a suggestion of going left here, which I'm going to let her do. If she goes left, what she's going to do now is I'm going to take up the rein and say, you want to go left? Let's do a left circle. Here we go. We're going to go round and round and round and round in this little left circle. Come on, keep going, keep going. You wanted to turn left. And then the lanes are going to be released completely, which I've just done, when she goes forwards. And she said, oh, you mean if I go forwards I can just have a nice loose rein, and I don't care if she turns every single time she turns to go back home. We're just going to do a circle, whether it's in walk or canter. She will end up on a loose rein if she goes forwards, and that will allow her to be naughty if she wants to. Back, we're on a loose rein, as you can see, and we're going forwards. And obviously you couldn't do this, hang on, we're thinking about it now. She said, okay, I'll keep going straight. You couldn't do this on a nutcase that's going to bolt backwards, could we, old girl? But I think it's the way forward, don't you, dear? Would you like to demonstrate it? So he's going forward on a nice loose rein, but if he decided he was going to turn, show us what you do. Hang on, I'm just going to stand still, my little steed. Whoa.
Taps with the whip.
One moment, I'm coming back to you. I've lost my reins. Woohoo, let's turn around. Okay, I'll stand here for a moment. So carry on with the circling. So that becomes hard work, and a horse really is a lazy creature. It doesn't want to do that. So when his nose is pointing in the direction that I wanted to have been continuing in on the first place, then the reins become loose. And the horse goes, oh, that's easier. Is that it, dear, do you think? Yeah. And I'm not preventing this horse from turning. I've not got the reins tight. I've actually purposely got them loose to give her the chance to choose to do the wrong thing. And all that happens when she chooses to do the wrong thing is it becomes more hard work. So I hope you like my common sense horsemanship. So if you want to go check out Lily's channel, it's Elizabeth Pete, Liz Horsemanship. And well, you're here so you know me. I'm Scarlet Pete Self-Sufficiency and everything else that we do. Well, isn't it self-sufficient, teaching your own horse to behave rather than getting a trainer in? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, give us a comment so we know you're there. Bye-bye.